A very important feature in YouTube is incognito mode. Mode is a special feature in which you can use your YouTube channel without being seen. Your videos, your search history will not be recorded, and you will be able to see anything without being tracked, without being noticed. For example, if you want to open someone's channel in his mobile and you are operating it in the incognito mode, he will not be able to find out who has used his channel, who has searched his mobile, because it does not save its history, and it also manages things in a special way that no one can access its data. So it's very important feature. I think everyone should learn it. How you can learn it? First of all, click on your profile picture and here turn on incognito mode. Click on it. You can see that your profile picture is now disappeared, and everything you want to learn here will not be recorded, will not be saved in your mobile's search history, and you can learn things, you can avail things, you can search different topics without being seen, without being noticed. So it is a very important feature. If you want to again turn into your normal mode, click on your picture and turn off incognito mode. When you click on it, now again your channel is appeared and you are searching things, and things will be recorded, your search history will be recorded, everything will be recorded. So this is very important feature. Every YouTuber need to learn this feature, and this feature helps YouTubers to search things without being noticed. Thank you so much for watching this video.